Hi, in this example, I will be explaining a formula in Excel called as subtotal. So let us see how this subtotal formula works actually. As you can see my data, I've got some salespersons, country, item name, company, quantity, price and amount. I want to find out the total quantity, this total I want it over here. It is the total and the total amount should come here. So normally we use this formula called as sum. So Excel has given you a thing called as subtotal. But to do this subtotal, first you have to filter your data first. So if I keep my cell pointer over here on the heading, if you click on this option called as data, there's an icon here called as filter. You can press the shortcut also, Control Shift and L. So if you press Control Shift and L, it creates this arrow keys. This is your filter. So once you got this filter of this, now I can use my formula here by using this thing called as subtotal. So I will show you the difference also. See what happens when you write sum and you select this quantity, close the brackets here, enter. That gives you this total. Same thing I want to find out the total of sum, that is total amount. So if I select this, this is a normal calculation what you used to do, that is sum formula. So this is the quantity total and this is the total amount. So now if I change this company, like for example, you can see if I click on this arrow sign and just remove this tick mark, select all, and if I click on Dell company and HCL, or if I just say Dell, so it should tell me the quantity of what is the quantity of delta and the total amount. But this is, if I select this range, it should show me the 78 over here, but it is not showing me 78. Same thing with this amount also. If you select here like this, the total should come this much, 31492. But this, what is showing me is just showing you the full details. So I'll just say select all again here. So I'll just get back this to normal. Okay. So I cannot use this formula called as sum here. So Excel has given you a formula called as subtotal. After you written equal to subtotal, bracket open, 9. Why I'm writing 9? Because 9 is sum. So this is the code actually. If you want average, you write 1. If you want max, you write 4. So like that it is. Okay. So if I write here 9, comma, and then you're supposed to select this quantity range, this full range. And then you close the brackets here and enter. This is the total quantity of quantity. Similar thing you did for your total amount also. Same formula, subtotal. And then you write this number 9 here. That is the code. After that comma, and then select the amount. Close the brackets, enter. So that should give you this total. This is the total of full. Same thing, this quantity is full total. Now if I change this, like for example, if I remove this tick mark, select all. If I click on Apple company and I say OK, so now you can see that it is showing me the total quantity. See, 112, which is right. Amount. This is only of Apple company. See, okay. Like that, if I change this, if I say select all again, say OK, I'll get the full list again. Similar thing if I want, if I check with Dell and HCL too, so I'll get this for both. So this is how this condition works actually, this subtotal. Back to normal, we have to say select all and it's okay. So you get the full list again. So I hope you understood this formula in Excel called as subtotal. Keep on practicing and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.